What is going on? Too funny to laugh. Coming at you with another video today. And I'm feeling great right now. So, like, I haven't ate yet, but you know what? I will in a little bit when I get done with this video. Not much is going on until I have to go to work, and then I go to work, and then I'm off, and then whatever. But I'll be done then. So, lots of different things. Let's see. Yeah, really not much going on, actually. I just want to appreciate everything that, everyone's done for me, so, being there for me no matter what, and even though sometimes I don't show appreciation, I do, so I'm really thankful for everything that anybody has done for me, so, I like to thank everybody, my family, friends, people I look up to. I like to thank them. So, I don't know what else to say. I mean, this is pretty much going to be a short vlog. On that note, like, it's kind of hard to start out. I mean, I'm still starting out on this, but, like, if I actually had people, like, commenting and asking questions, and I could do, like, a string of Q&A, I could do, like, play a Would You Rather or do some challenges or something like that, but I'm going to keep uploading every day and see if my name pops up, so that people would eventually find it interesting, maybe, or, like, find me. But yeah, but for right now I'm gonna do this. That's about it. But I'm actually gonna go in the living room and we're gonna pet the dog. You're gonna see one of the animals, hopefully.
Shut up, Annan.
Annan?
Who's Annan? Huh?
Just
Shut up, Andrew.
Both of your names start with an A.
A for ass.
A for big ass cheeks.
That's BAC.
Bad ass cunt.
Yep. That's boo boo.
Not it, Zudu.
Yeah.
Is it?
Looks thick.
Huh?
It looks thick.
It is bleeding?
No. I don't think so. It looks thick though, like how you did that little. Hi, Fanny. Hey, poop poop. Poop poop. Poop poop. Poop poop. Poop poop. Hey. Poop, come here.
Here, dude.
This is boo boo.
Some berries, blueberries, and some apples, blueberries, and spinach.
Bluesberry, berry.
Some dickberries.
Dickberry.
Ballberry.
Ballberry.
Come here. Come here.
Hey.
Okay, sit.
Hi, boo boo.
Sit on your back. There we go. Okay, look.
Alright, bubble. Yep, that was right in the eye.
Dude, Andrew, I haven't had a single freaking soda in like 48 hours.
Wow. That's gotta be really difficult. I can't imagine that.
Actually, it hasn't been.
Yeah. For me, it probably would.
And I thought it would be a lot harder than it is. I figured I would have a huge headache right now.
Usually you do.
Normally I do, remember? Like how I would like beg you to go to the store for me?
Yeah. But
Right?
are you taking something that helps, huh?
Nope.
No?
I'm just eating healthy, dude. Drinking lots of water.
Damn.
Pulled it up, drinking all of it, and now I'm filling it up again.
Damn. Water's good for you. There's no flavor, but it's good for you.
Yeah, dude, since like watching all these like health videos and like seeing all this stuff, like I was drinking, I cut down to 3 sodas a day. And then a couple days I had 2, but a couple of times I would skimp and drink 3. And then the other day I had 1 soda and it tasted like shit.
Ooh, wow. Wow, it's kind of like Nicorette when you're smoking. Nicorette helps make the flavor of the cigarette taste horrible. Even though it does to people that don't smoke. But, yeah. Kind of sounds like a Nicorette situation. I'm not choking, boo boo. No, don't worry. Oh, yeah. Yeah, boo boo. Yeah, boo boo. Oh, boo boo loves me. Boo boo loves me. That's why you didn't get up and run away when I got here. Haha. Hey, Freddy. Hi, Freddy. Overwatch, you bought it?
Hmm?
You bought it?
Mm-mm.
No. Damn.
I'm using Tim's account.
Well, freaking Mirror's Edge, I think, is out today. The second one. It's been years since
I
they
never
made it.
played the first one.
Oh, the first one is fun. It's realistic looking. It's pretty fun. Jumping off buildings, kicking people.
I've seen people play it. I've never played it.
It's kind of like that game and freaking Dying Light are one and the same.
You should buy Overwatch.
Think about it, huh?
Huh?
So think about it.
Don't think about it. Do about it.
Do about it, do it hard.
Huh. I'm Boo Boo. What are you doing?
What's up, Doc?
Hi. Oh, God. Oh. It's, what's up, Doc?
Did you know that 80% of men will have prostate problems?
80? Like cancer?
Just problems.
Oh, like in
Not
the
cancer,
like
just
the
problems.
like the nuts.
No. The prostate
On my butthole?
can most easily be reached from your butthole.
Ew.
And only men have prostates.
Ew.
It's what controls your testosterone.
So you can stop growing?
Huh?
So you can stop growing?
No,
Oh.
testosterone is like your manliness.
Oh, so you lost that years ago.
How well you grow facial hair, how well like your voice, how well your sperm count is, like stuff like that.
Wow, I can't even connect mine. Like if it grows out, I
And for
can't
a
grow.
man, if you have low testosterone, you'll start getting fat.
But I'm good then. Right? Right? No? 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 Okay. Damn. I don't want to be obese ever.
You know the best way to reduce the risk of prostate problems?
Hi. Pooping?
No.
Oh.
Gay men barely ever have prostate problems.
Ha ha ha! You think I'm gay? Ha 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 ha!
Well, no,
Hi.
but the best way to do it
Do
is
it.
like to massage it. So shove your finger in there and massage it every like little while.
I bet you do that. I'm afraid that you might.
I don't,
No.
but I will.
Oh.
I don't want prostate problems.
Me neither, but dang. I mean, you know that you could do that when like freaking after you take a poop or something, and then you shower and you rinse yourself out. You just stick it up in there and clean it. Man, this is gonna be a graphic conversation.
What do you mean after I shower after pooping?
You know, you poop and shower, cause like if you just wipe, I don't think it's gonna be clean 100%.
So do you wipe in the shower?
No, like you poop, wipe, and then shower and clean the rest.
I don't wipe.
Someone licks your butt.
Yeah.
Boo boo.
Boo cleans it for me, and then he licks your face.
Boo boo, you're nasty. Ew.
But no, I seriously don't wipe. I haven't wiped my butt in a while. Because every time I poop, I jump in the shower and wipe it there.
Oh, wow.
It saves on toilet paper and it saves time because it's so fast.
It does. It does. But I hope you get another rag to wash your face.
I got poop
I
shampoo.
just always use yours.
Ah,
Yeah, that's good. Stuff on it too.
hi, Freddy.
Okay. He came to me. He was like,
And I'm like, hi.
oh, boo boo. You're so
Sit
fat.
here in
Boo.
this chair, Andrew.
And poop.
You awoke the daddy. I'm gonna get you. You better run.
You better not hide.
You better run. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna.
Boo boo.
You better run. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Look, here's a penguin right in the middle of his
Oh
butt.
God. Boo boo.
Stop staring at Freddy's butt, you weirdo.
No, that's Boo Boo. Boo Boo.
You look like legit roly poly.
I think you need new socks.
Yep. Eddie. I mean, Boo Boo.
Freddy.
No, Eddie. No.
His name is Freddy.
Boo Boo is Eddie.
Eddie. Get up, Eddie.
Good boo boo.
Good, Eddie.
I'm saying that because he's fat. Eddie's always been fat.
As long as I know him. He was fat when he got out of the vagina. Yeah. Boo Boo.
Lazy butt, you need to walk.
Well, guys, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog today. It's almost 15 minutes, but yeah, that was part of my day, man. Actually, it wasn't really a short vlog. I apologize if I lied, but anyway, I don't know if I'll have one out later today or maybe tomorrow, but make sure to like, comment, share, favorite, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.